Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your iPhone supports external drives with iOS 13 or later. Check your physical port type. Use Lightning for older iPhones and USB-C for newer iPhones. Buy an adapter. Lightning to USB camera adapter for Lightning ports or USB-C to USB adapter for USB-C phones. Choose a powered USB hub if your device draws more than 5V1A. Bring a compatible cable for the peripheral you plan to use. Keep your iPhone charged before connecting to. Plug the adapter into your iPhone and then connect the USB device securely. Unlock your phone and open the Files app to find connected storage under Locations. For cameras or SD readers, open the Photos app and tap Import to save images. If importing videos, ensure the format is supported by iOS, like MP4 or HEVC. To move files, use drag and drop between locations, or use the Share menu to copy files into iCloud Drive. Eject devices safely by closing files and unplugging the adapter. If your device is not recognized, update to the latest iOS version and retry connection. For high-power devices, connect a powered USB hub providing at least 5V1A per port. If the drive still fails, check its format. Reformat to XFAT for cross-platform compatibility and files larger than 4 GB. Restart your iPhone with the adapter attached to reset the connection state when needed. Always backup data before formatting or moving files to prevent accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.